This dance is called Forever and Always. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 tags. And it's a little waltz. Starting on our right foot, slightly unusual for a waltz, but here we go. Step the right to the side, drag the left towards the right over 2 counts. Rock back on the left, hold, recover your weight on the right. I'm going to add the next section on because it's exactly the same but with the left foot leading. So we step the left to the side, drag the right towards the left over 2 counts, rock back on the right, hold, recover on the left. So those 2 sections then. Off on the right, side drag, 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock. Step forward on the right, hold, pivot a quarter turn to the left. Cross the right over the left into a hinge half turn, quarter turn right, stepping left back, quarter turn right, stepping the right to the side. So that section once more then. Off on the right, step, hold, pivot. 4, 5, 6, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn. So add that to the top. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn. Cross the left over the right, unwind, half a turn to the right over 2 counts. Step back on the right, sweep the left over 2 counts. So that little section once more then. Just on our hinge turn, crossing left over right and unwinding. 4, 5, 6, cross, unwind, back, sweep. Let's add that to the top. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, unwind, back, sweep. Now there is in those last two sections the equivalent of a full turn. Should you wish to try and take that turn out, your non-turning steps. So once you've done your side back rocks, you go into your step, hold, pivot. Continue to do that step, hold, pivot. Step forward, hold, pivot a quarter. Cross the right over the left, the same as you would do for the turning version. Then instead of doing that hinge turn, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. Then rather than the cross unwind, you step the left to the side, hold for 2 counts, and then you can start with your back on the right, sweep the left. So that's a non-turning option, should you wish to try and take that full turn out. So you do your step, hold, pivot, cross, side, hold for 2 counts, back, sweep. So from this sweep, step back on that left, sweep the right round over 2 counts into a little weave, behind, side, cross. Now I'll add the next section on because it's nice and easy. Step to the side on the left, sway left over 3 counts, sway right over 3 counts. 2 nice little slow sways. So that section, those sections once more then. We've just swept back on that left, stepping back on the left, sweeping the right. 4, 5, 6, back sweep, behind side, cross, sway, 2, 3, sway, 2, 3. Add that to the top. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, behind side, cross, side, sway, step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn right, over 2 counts, into a coaster step, forward coaster step, left foot leading, forward, close, back. Just to finish the dance, because it's nice and easy, step back on the right, touch the left beside the right, hold, step forward on the left, touch the right beside the left, hold. That ends the dance. So those last 2 sections then, from our sway, step, pivot, off on the left, 4, 5, 6, step, pivot, coaster, step, back, touch, hold, step, touch, hold. Let's put it all together. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, behind side, cross, sway, sway, step, pivot, coaster, step, back, touch, hold, step, touch, hold. So in true waltz fashion, no hand counts at all in this dance. So that is your dance. It is a little bit faster to the music, so I won't be saying all the holds. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back, hold, rock, side drag, back, hold, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, behind side, cross, sway, sway, step, pivot, coaster, step, back, touch, step, touch, side drag, back, rock, side drag, back, rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, weave, sway, sway, step, pivot, coaster, step, back, touch, step, touch, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, weave, sway, sway, step, pivot, coaster, step, back, touch, step, touch. So there are 2 little tags in this dance, very nice and easy. They come at the ends of walls 3 and 6. So you will actually be facing 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock when you come to do them. Quite simply, they are the last 6 counts of the dance. So it's step back on the right, touch left and hold, step forward on the left, touch right and hold. So you repeat those 6 steps. So let's have a go at wall 3, add the tag on at the end, just so you can see how it slots on. Side drag off on the right. 4, 5, 6, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross and wind, back sweep, weave, sway, sway, step pivots, coaster, step, back touch, step touch tag, back touch, step touch, and start again, side drag. So those are your tags, ends of walls 3 and 6. So that is your dance. It's your walkthrough, your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Four, 5, 6, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, cross the line, back sweep,
I will be with
sway,
you
sway, step pivot, coaster, step, back touch, step touch, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, cross and one, back sweep,
I'll be here to
sway, step pivot, coaster, step, back touch, side drag, back rock, side drag, back rock, step hold, pivot, cross, turn, cross the one, back sweep, weave,
we lose sight of each other.
step pivot,
Brings us back to
coaster,
the
step,
start.
back touch, step touch, side drag,
Where I first found
side
you.
drag, back rock, step, hold, pivot, cross, turn, cross and wide, back sweep,
Locked away
weave,
and
sway,
free.
step pivot, coaster, step, back touch, side drag, step pivot, cross and wide, back sweep, sways, step pivot, touch, side drag,
There's a light when I look in your eyes.
step
It
pivot,
shows me the strength of your
cross and
heart.
wide,
Even if we lose sight of each other, our love brings us back to the start.
tag,
the start
side drag,
where I first found you.
And where you first found me, locked away and free forever and always. I will be with you forever and always.
hope you managed that one.